So I go live every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And tonight, even though I'm going live on Sunday night, this will be posted up again with some edits for tomorrow's challenge, which is Chic on the cheap. Got to be careful what you're using there. Chic on the cheap with Christi Creates and Nicole from the Week's Nest. So I want to take part in their challenge. And actually, I wanted to show you what I'm going to be duping. I guess that's what it's called, duping? Duping? Yeah, I'm going to be duping. So I found this and I thought, oh, this is cool, but it's too expensive. Let's see, can you see it? Can you see it? There you go. You see that big, beautiful sign? That big, beautiful sign is $52.99. No, not gonna do it. Not gonna do it because I'm not gonna spend $52.99. So what am I gonna use? This lovely sign, I bought it from Hobby Lobby. Bought it last year. I think I got it at like 75% off, if I'm not mistaken. So I think I got it for around $5 or $6. Look, I'll be honest with you. I will not spend on any kind of home decor more than $10 and something like this. But I probably spent like $5 or $6 on this. How's everybody doing? Everybody in my audience here is saying hi to each other. Hello. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the back of this, which originally was just a natural wood. I spray painted it, as you can see. But here's the thing, you know, I'm very, very, very frugal. And I went to get these beautiful wooden letters. And these wooden letters at because Hobby Lobby's not open, at Michael's, these were like $2.99 each. And I'm like, 3, 6, 9, 12. No. And then I tried to look around for like cheaper ones, and the cheapest I could find was $1.99 each. And I was like, no, I don't want it. So this is what I did. I don't have a Cricut. Lord above and all little angels in the universe know I want one, so one will appear when it's time. But now it's not the time because I don't want to spend money on a Cricut. So what I done did, something very clever. I haven't seen anybody else do this. I don't know. If you've seen somebody else do this, let me know. So let's go on with the tutorial. So what I did with this, because I don't have a Cricut, was because these are like, you know, it stands up. I took some heavy, what is this called? Scrapbook paper in black. And all I did was just, and not with this side, with the back of the scissors, like I literally embossed the heavy paper just like this. And I don't know if it's gonna work or not. You guys are gonna be here to see it with me. I'm literally embossing the letter on here. And see? I don't know if you can see. You see the letter? See it there? Now, how easy is this to cut out? Super easy because it's already raised. You know where to cut. And you know, I didn't have any kind of stencils that were big enough or sticker letters that were big enough. And I thought, you know, this is the next best thing. And it actually looks kind of nice. Let's see. I'm going to glue it on the other side now and decorate this. But I just thought it was a clever idea. I hadn't seen anybody else do that. Maybe I have, maybe I haven't. Okay, so let's flip this. Literally, we're going to flip the sign. It's a sign flip. A little notebook there. So now I have my letters. Look how cool this is. Guys, come on. This is cool. I think this is very cool. So I'm going to see where the letters are. So I line them up right around the same place from the other side. And I'm just going to decoupage them. And I'm going to leave a space. Let's see. What I need to do is spacing. I have to space them properly. I'm going to use this I'm going to use something to just space them properly. So they're all spaced more or less like an inch away. I think that's like an inch. There we go. Move it up a little. Try to keep it straight. And now for the O. So my dilemma here is, what am I going to put here? Because I was thinking you could put like one of these Dollar Tree, check it out, one of these Dollar Tree ornaments, but they're too big. See? It's too big. But look, there's an idea, right? Very cool. And then I was thinking, well, what about one of these snowflakes? Ow. Just stapled myself. This is from Michael's, and their snowflakes are the same as the Dollar Tree. I mean, their design is different, but they have, I think, the same amount. And then I saw that, but then the snowflake is so white that I'd have to paint it like red or something. So I think I'm going to go with a wreath. I'm going to do a little wreath. But you have so many different ideas. You can put anything here. So let's get to decoupage in this. I think it's straight. It's kind of hard to see if it's straight when you're not like looking at it straight. I think it was straight. We'll see. It's probably not, but who cares? It's my sign for my house. So let's take a look and see. I just want to see if it's straight, if the letters are more or less straight. Yeah, it looks okay. You could not guess that I cut those letters out the way I did. Never. You would never guess. Except for that one, because that one looks, look, that one I screwed it up. But who cares? Who cares? No one cares, man. No one cares. So I got this. I couldn't find my little stems. I know that there's little stems, and I thought it would be cute to do a little O like that, like we've all seen. Now, this isn't exactly as the sign that I showed you, but you guys get the idea. You've seen these in the stores. We all know. We've all seen this in the store. All flaws give character. That's what I say. I need a wire cutter like nobody's business. And remember, guys, if you watch the Halloween Hop, you have until November 3rd. That's Tuesday, November 3rd. To get your name in. And yes, if you were part of the Halloween Hop, you were entered to win if you commented on everybody else's video. we go. And voila. Just fluffing up. Fluffing it up. You got the ribbon on. Get one of these doohickey thingies. These things. So it matches the bow down there. I love these things. These little itty bitty pine cones, that's like the best stuff. Best stuff. If you find it at the dollar store, get it. All right. And that's it. We are done, people. 31 minutes. Ta-da! So again, flip it over. Halloween, flip it over. Merry Christmas! They say, I like it with the bow on top. That looks cute! I'm happy. Now I can just put it right there and I'm done. Ta-da! So, thank you guys again for joining me. What the heck was that? I have like glue spider webs. Anyway, I haven't lost my mind. Not yet. But anyway, thank you guys for being here. I'm keeping it short because it is Sunday night. And I also want to check out Elena. So, thank you all. And if anybody has Elena's link it so we can all follow each other and go cheer on Elena. So anyway, thanks for checking this out. Again, this was a chic, I can't say the word, chic for cheap with the Week's Nest and Christi Creates. I want to thank you all for watching, and I will be posting this up again tomorrow, but shortened. And how I say it every night, please stay safe, be kind, God bless each and every one of you, and live the adventure, my friends, because the new adventure is coming right around the bend. It's called Thanksgiving, and then we got Christmas. So keep in touch with everybody here, guys. Keep in touch with all of your playlists, with all your challenges, and let's support each other and make each other great, because, you know, you'll never be a success if you don't help others to succeed. A success? That really sounded nice, Annie. Anyway, bye guys. See you tomorrow night. Bye. I was gonna make some decorations for Halloween, but something's missing.
Well, I'd be interested to see how you do.
Oh, okay. Well, it's very easy.
This being a job application.
Oh!